Thank you, Michelle. Next tonight, Erie County, one of the hundreds of communities across this country now loosening virus-related restrictions. Mask mandates no longer required at businesses and restaurants, but you must still mask up at all Erie County-owned buildings. To lift that final mandate, Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz says the county's weekly positivity rate has to be less than 3%. The 7-day case rate must be under 100 new cases per 100,000 people in the past 7 days. And if that doesn't happen, the mandate could still be lifted if the county's 7-day case rate falls below 50 new cases per 100,000 people. And as of Tuesday, Erie County's positivity rate sits at 4%. 7 News senior reporter Eileen Buckley says the county executive plans to review this state of emergency that remains in place by early March.
It's been nearly a month since Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz and County Health Commissioner Dr. Gail Burstein hosted a COVID news briefing. But the county does share updates every day on COVID-19 positivity, hospitalization, and death rates. Tuesday, County Executive Poloncarz sent out this tweet saying if the county's positivity rate falls below 3%, the mask mandate at all county buildings could be lifted by next week.
I think that's quite reasonable for him to do. There are not mandates everywhere else, although it's left to businesses if they want to have a mask mandate.
Dr. Nancy Nielsen at UB's Jacobs School of Medicine reacted to the metrics considered for lifting the mask mandate in county buildings.
If indeed the mandate in the county buildings comes down for the mask wearing, as a health leader, are you concerned, though, still what would be out there to be spread?
I think probably the wise thing to do for an individual until spring is to wear a mask when you're out in public, simply because you don't know who's vaccinated or not. You don't know who's infected and asymptomatic or not.
Nationwide, COVID cases have plunged 90% and hospitalization almost 60%. But there are still 2,300 deaths a day in the U.S.
The bottom line message is things are dramatically improving around the country and locally, but we're still in a high rate of transmission area. But hopefully we will be out of that before long.
The county executive also stated even if the mask mandate is lifted, the state of emergency would remain in effect, but he would revisit the issue in early March. Poloncarz signed this extension of the state of emergency earlier this month.
This is not about whether there's a state of emergency. It's whether the pandemic is done with us, and it's not yet.
Dr. Nielsen says the number of cases recorded in Erie County is artificially low because not everyone testing at home is reporting positive cases to the health department. I did reach out to the county executive and county health commissioner for comment, but both were not available for an interview. Eileen Buckley, 7 News.